Pistachio Kunafa Cheesecake dessert cup with chocolate ganache is a luxurious fusion of Middle Eastern and Western desserts. It features a crunchy, golden brown kunafa base infused with buttery flavours and finely ground pistachios. This elegant treat is a perfect balance of textures and flavours in every bite. This dessert is a perfect balance of texture and sweetness, making it a favourite for special occasions and celebrations. To elevate the indulgence, the dessert is crowned with a luscious layer of silky chocolate ganache, adding a deep, velvety richness, finished with a sprinkle of crushed pistachios for extra crunch and visual appeal. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you, presents Kunafa Cheesecake dessert cups. For pistachios cream, take 100 grams pistachios. Pour hot water over them. Give it a stir. Let it sit for 5 minutes. For kunafa base, take 200 grams Pistachio Kunafa phyllo dough. Always check if it's good or spoil. Chop Pistachio Kunafa dough. Instead, you can use vermicelli. Melt 2 tablespoons butter in a pan. Let the butter melt completely. Put chopped pistachio dough on a pan. Roast well. Roast until crispy golden brown. Transfer in a mixing bowl. Now, let's make pistachio cream. First things first, peel off the pistachios. Simply pinch the skin between your fingers and peel it off, or rub off the skin with your fingers or towel. Works best after blanching or roasting. All pistachios are peeled well. Let it air dry for some time. Meanwhile, melt the white chocolate. Break the 150 grams white chocolate and add into a microwave-safe bowl. Heat in short intervals. Microwave the chocolate for 20 to 30 seconds at a time. Then stir. Stirring helps distribute the heat and ensures an even melt. Repeat until melted. Continue heating and stirring in short intervals until the chocolate is completely melted and smooth. Now transfer peeled pistachio into blender jar. Blend it. Pour melted white chocolate. Pour 1/3 cup condensed milk. Add 1 tablespoon coconut or any cooking oil. Add a pinch of salt, ½ teaspoon vanilla essence. You can keep in the refrigerator for up to 1 to 2 weeks. Spread on bread and have it or use it in any desserts. Whenever you want, just give it a quick stir and enjoy it. There's no need to buy from the supermarket. Blend well. Stop, check consistency, and scrape down the sides if needed. Blend until forms a smooth paste. Remove it. I want a little pouring consistency in this recipe, so I kept it like this. If you want spreadable consistency, add less condensed milk, or if too thick, add more condensed milk. Your freshly creamy pistachio butter is ready. For kunafa base, I shifted kunafa into a small bowl. Pour creamy pistachio, cream as required. Add 2 tablespoons tahini. It's totally optional if you love nutty flavour. Add pinch of green food colour, it's totally optional. 2 to 3 tablespoons. Slivered pistachios. Mix well. Pour some more cream and adjust the consistency. Mix well. Our kunafa base is ready. Keep aside, we will use it later. Let's make a cream cheese filling. In a large bowl, add ice cubes. Place another bowl over it, take ½ cup double or whipping cream. Add ¼ cup icing sugar. ½ teaspoon vanilla essence. Add pinch of salt. Mix with spatula, otherwise your kitchen will get messy. Now beat well. Beat well until stiff peak forms. Add 165 grams cream cheese. Beat until smooth and fluffy. Beat well, very smooth, silky texture. Our cream cheese filling is ready. For ganache, take 150 grams milk chocolate. Break it. Add 75 milliliters cream. Add 1 tablespoon butter for shine. Melt 30 seconds intervals. Check in between to avoid burning. Stir well. Completely melt. Check on spoon. Consistency should be like this. It will more thickens once completely cooled down. Keep aside, we will use in the end. It's time to assemble our kunafa dessert cups. Take sufficient pistachio kunafa base mixture. Spread it evenly with help of spatula. Spoon or pipe the cheesecake mixture over the cooled kunafa base. Spread it evenly with the help of a spoon. Again, second layer of pistachio kunafa. Layer it as much as you want. Patch it up some more kunafa as needed. Spread out evenly. Again, add chilled cream cheese filling. Smooth out the layer. Dab it. For a rich and decadent finish, top your pistachio kunafa cheesecake with a smooth layer of chocolate ganache. Pour the ganache evenly over the top. Gently spread with spoon. Sprinkle some slivered pistachio for extra crunch and visual appeal. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour before serving until the ganache firms up. This dessert is a perfect balance of texture and sweetness, making it a favourite for special occasions and celebrations. Enjoy the irresistible blend of crispy kunafa, creamy pistachio cheesecake, and velvety chocolate ganache. And there you have it. Dig it and enjoy it. You have to try this recipe. Let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. And if you enjoyed this recipe, Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Do try and thank me later. Do give it a try, this delicious recipe, and let me know how it goes. See you in the next one. Happy cooking! Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.